Hey y'all, today I'm gonna show y'all how to make my abuelitas Mexican oats. Here's what you're gonna need: rolled oats, milk, a can of condensed milk, evaporated milk, and cinnamon sticks. We're gonna start out by bringing 6 cups of water to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna add 2.5 cups of rolled oats. You're gonna bring that back to a boil and we're gonna let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Next, we're gonna add 4 cups of milk. I use whole milk, but you can add whatever milk that you like. I also added 2 cinnamon sticks. Once you add the milk, you have to keep mixing it so that it doesn't stick to the edges. Next, we're gonna add 1 can of evaporated milk and a can of condensed milk. So originally I was gonna add just half of the condensed milk, but I ended up adding the whole thing. However, if you don't want it to be super sweet, you can add only half and then save the rest of it for the next time that you make it. So oats have protein and fiber as well as carbs. A cup of cooked oats is going to have around 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. It also has iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. However, it does have a lot of sugar because it has a lot of carbs due to the sweeteners that we added. So I recommend eating in moderation and perhaps going on a walk afterwards to help maintain blood sugar levels. But I hope you guys try this recipe at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. It turned out so good. I even sprinkled some extra cinnamon on top. Yeah, so I totally burned my mouth here, but it still tastes really good, I promise. Bye!